We got action, no distraction, no place that we can crash it. So, thank God to the supporters that did like my other video. And well, I'll be back. But sorry, I got my haircut today. I got my haircut today, but I said wait, if y'all had 6 likes on that video, right? I'm gonna do another video for y'all. So I wouldn't lie. 3 weeks ago, I ain't no gaming, but 3 weeks ago, and I saw these. I'm like, can I do this for my YouTube? I'm like, we got the rats. We take it over. Y'all has the 6 likes. But yeah, these is Romeo. We're gonna try these, but yeah. And I ordered these, but they came here today. I ordered these like 3 weeks ago. It came. So, oh, it smells good. Romeo Mueller. Yeah. Wait, make sure you see. Wait, hold on. But yeah, you can see that. But woo, smell good. Barbecue honey. So this is the big chip, but let's try this first chip. Just tell y'all, I live in Atlanta, but yeah, I moved to Atlanta, but yeah. I'm fine, I live in Atlanta, but I'm visiting it. This is good. I'm gonna go get some more. I'll be back, y'all. So, tell my YouTube how it tastes. Tell my YouTube how it tastes. He says alright. I like them. Dad, try these. Tell my YouTube how you like them. Huh? Try one. The rap snack, try one. He said no, but we're gonna finish this video. I mean, I like them. They're good. I'm about to eat Chinese food out there. I'm gonna vlog when I edit this video. Yo! And we out. Hit that smash button. And we out. What? Hold up. Hold up. What? Hit that smash button.